Coming up, let's hear how Opera software is driving the smart TV marketplace here at International CES 2015.
You're watching YBLTV.
How are you taking part in the smart TV marketplace?
Opera has been around since '93 when we were founded. We first made a browser for the PC. Very soon in the late 90s, we realized the mobile phone market might be taking off, and we created a browser for early generation smartphones, if you can call them that, back then. And soon after that, in about 2002, we moved that competence that we had to the TV space. So we started off with creating a browser that could help run set-top boxes and provide interactive services on set-top boxes. But that took about 4 or 5 years through the IPTV days for the retail TV market to suddenly take off. And when it took off, we were there with our browser, bringing the internet to a new screen, as we've done before. So in 2007, we launched our first partnership with Philips and their smart TVs that they launched with a lot of applications. And then we moved that along to various other manufacturers like Sony and TCL and Hisense and a whole host of manufacturers, set-top box providers, operators, etc., that are looking to enable smart TV type applications and OTT content on TVs.
YBLTV is an online video channel. How can we take our show and turn it into a TV app?
We've seen a huge splurge of OTT content and various online providers like yourselves that are trying to get onto smart TV. So we've created a toolkit called Opera TV Snap, which is where you can create a smart TV application in under a minute. So we've done a lot of the hard work in integrating with various online video providers like Brightcove and Oyala and others around the world. And if you've hosted your content on these providers, you can use TV Snap and generate a smart TV application that can go live on millions of devices in a jiffy. Opera TV Store is our distribution platform. It's live on over 15 customers from Sony to TiVo and Swisscom and others. So your channel will appear live on all of these millions of devices through the Opera TV Store. What you're looking at here is the Opera TV Store running on TiVo. It's live today. Opera TV Store is a complete cloud-based HTML5 framework here. Your application would essentially appear inside the Opera TV Store, which we can navigate around. You can see a bunch of different video providers that have launched applications here, hundreds of them. Let's try and launch Epic TV. Epic TV has made some fantastic content and they've hosting this on Daily Motion, and they wanted to target the smart TV industry. So they used Opera TV Snap. We've already done the backend integration with TV Snap and Daily Motion. Essentially, the output of that work, clicking through the terms online in Daily Motion, is a great looking application which repurposes all of the content that they produce and curate inside a smart TV experience to watch it on the biggest screen at home. Let's just go ahead and launch one of these mountain biking videos. So you can see we've done an integration for advertising as well. We have a whole ad wing integrated within this, so you can monetize your content, and as soon as this is done, the video will start playing.
Who's monetizing the content? The publisher?
It's a choice. The publisher can choose to do it, or you can choose to use our ad network. But the real hard work is integrating the environment to be able to do it, and that's what we've done.